to download manually the driver of your Canon Pixma TS7720, let's open any web browser. You're gonna then go on Google, and then you're gonna type Canon Pixma TS7720, or no matter which model you have, and then driver right beside it. Search for this, and the first results in Google should be from the official Canon website. Over here you see Canon USA or Canon Canada. It doesn't matter which Canon website, as long as it's www.usa.canon.com or canon.ca or whatever part of the world you are. So I'll go over here, click on it, go down, downloads, you're going to see software and drivers. This is the middle option here. So tap on this, go down, select your operating system. Mine is Windows. Then select which version of that Windows or Mac OS you're using. Go down and select Master Setup. Press download. It will download the file. You simply have to double click on it and follow all the different steps to install the driver. At that point, it's very easy. But in my case, I do not need to do it because the computer installed the driver by itself. Now open any files you wish to print on your PC. Let's say I want to print this document. It's a PDF document. I will press on the print icon right over there. Under printer, I'll click and I'll select my Canon printer in this list. You just need to find it. Here you go. Canon TS7720 series, ready. Excellent. I'll tap on it. There's a few options you can change. As you see, the number of copies, which page you want to print. Do you want to print in black and white or color? Let me select color instead. Do you want to print on both sides of the page? Stuff of this nature. And at the end, press the print button. It will be sent to the printer. You just have to extend this output tray and wait around 12 to 13 seconds to get the print out. Looks great. So this is how you print. To scan, you just have to input the paper on the scanner on the top. Let me show you exactly how this should be done. So take your page, you're going to place it facing down with the top part of your page towards the left side, like that. And then you're going to make sure that you bring this corner of your page so it touches this corner over here with an arrow. Close the lid. And now let's go back on the PC. You're going to go into the search bar of your PC and you're going to type scan. The scan app should appear. This is an app that comes included with your PC. If it didn't come, don't worry, go on the Microsoft Store and search for scan. It's made by Microsoft, it's a legit app, it's free, so go ahead and download it if you don't have it. In my case, I'll simply launch it. On the left side, I will select my Canon printer TS7720. There's a few settings you can change over here, so go over them, and at the end, press the scan button. It will scan, and on the top of this page, you'll get a confirmation when it will be saved on your PC. And here you have which folder it went in. In my case, it's desktop, so has been saved to desktop. I can press view or I can press close and keep scanning. So this is about it. I hope my video was helpful. If so, leave a like, comment down below, check my Amazon links if you want some ink or some paper for this specific TS7720 printer, and I'll see you in the next one.